Okay, so here is a quick lesson and reminder of how to count eighth notes. So in the very first measure, we see that we have a quarter note, and so we are going to count that 1 with impulse. Okay. The next measure, we have 2 eighth notes, and remember that eighth notes are counted with a number followed by a te. Okay, so it would be 2 te, and then 3 impulsed, and then 4. Okay, and then we're going to go underneath, and we're going to go ahead and put our foot language as well. So a quarter note has a full foot tap. Eighth notes get half of a beat, so 1 for down and 1 for up. And then there's our quarter note with a full foot tap and a quarter note with a full foot tap. In the next measure, we have the eighth notes at the beginning of the beat. So the first one is counted 1 te, and then this is our second beat, 2 u, 3 e, and then beat 4 followed by te. Now we're going to go back and add in our foot tap. So we will have a down foot tap followed by an up, and then a down up for every quarter note, and then a down foot tap followed by an up. Okay, next measure, we have 1 with impulse, 2, and then our head, we're going to think 3 and whisper, and then last beat is 4 te. We'll go back and put in our foot tap. So full foot tap for the first beat, full foot tap for the second, full foot tap for the third beat, rest, a down for 4, and an up for 5. I hope that this helped you remember how to count eighth notes, and let's go back and count it with a metronome. So I'm going to turn a metronome on, and I'm going to turn it on to 80 beats, and this is how it sounds. So 1, 2, te, 3, 4. 1, te, 2, 3, 4, te. 1, 2, 3, 4, te. And that's how you count eighth notes.